On debate number 2, which is on the Muzaffarnagar report, the Justice Vishnu Sahai Committee investigating the Muzaffarnagar riots indicts members of the ruling party in UP, the SP as well as the BJP for their role in the carnage. More than 60 people died, over 50,000 people were homeless. It is also blamed senior police and administrative officials posted in the district at that time. Both the BJP and the SP have a lot to answer for, and representing them is Gaurav Bhatia of the SP, Sambit Patra of the BJP, Congress Party's Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Sudhindra Badoria of the BSP, and Taslim Ahmad Rahmani of the Muslim Political Council of India. Sambit Patra, why have you rejected the report? You've not seen the report, why have you rejected it?
Because we have the faith in the Supreme Court of this country.
So why don't you have faith in the Justice Vishnu Sahai Committee?
Has reprimanded the Samajwadi Party and had
Don't get the Supreme Court, Mr. Sambit Patra. You know nothing about the Supreme Court judgment. Have you even read the Supreme Court judgment?
Please don't have a riot over here in a debate. Please don't instigate a riot in the debate.
Riots are only orchestrated by people like you, the BJP.
Please don't go into rioting in a debate. I'll never interrupt you. Please don't interrupt me.
Gaurav,
I am raising an objection to you.
Gaurav,
why are you raising an objection?
Yes.
I asked him why is he rejecting the report. Let him reply.
You are raising an incorrect fact.
Let him reply. I said, why is he rejecting the report? What was my question?
I have not spoken a few sentences.
When you will lie to the viewers, I have raised every objection.
Gaurav,
and you asked me a question why I am rejecting a report.
Because
I have not even completed my sentences and you are rejecting my sentences.
Without even reading the report, you rejected the report. And that is why I am telling you that you don't have any right to reject the report.
Let me read out what the court had to say.
Hear each other, gentlemen.
Samajwadi Party, please go through the report yourself.
Hear each other, gentlemen.
Now the court said for the Samajwadi Party, the district administration should have taken measures to prevent the people from... Sorry, this is Azam Khan. In fact, the court said that Akhilesh Yadav led Samajwadi Party is prima facie guilty
of
negligence in preventing the violence, and secondly, it also said the central government fails to provide the intelligence report to Samajwadi Party. Now, tell me, if the Supreme Court of the country has to say this, if an SIT that was formed in 2014, the SIT comes out with the report, it indicts 10 people, MLAs and party representatives from the Congress, from the BSP, none from the BJP. So why today you are taking the name of BJP?
Sambit, please don't place incorrect facts. Now can I rebut his points, please, Arnab, if you allow me to? Because all misleading facts are being placed on your channel. Yes.
Well, my information is the SP has also been SP leaders have also been named anyway. My point is 1 second, please. Please. Let's not get into speech mode, please. On the one side, you claim to be a messiah of secularism.
Let's have the truth.
Sir, please.
Let's have the truth at least.
Yeah, the truth is not always the truth as spoken by the Samajwadi Party, sir. On the one side, Gaurav Bhatia, please understand, you are totally hypocritical on the issue of secularism. You say you're the messiah of secularism. Your party is indicted for their role in a riot that left 62 people dead, 90 injured, thousands displaced. Thousands displaced. Will you stop me? Thousands displaced.
I know all the facts.
Well,
if you allow me to just place the facts, I think we'll have the right perspective to then debate on these.
No, not necessarily, Gaurav Bhatia, because shortly after quitting the Grand Alliance, Mulayam Singh Yadav questioned the secular attitude of Lalu Prasad Yadav, citing his association with the BJP, and claimed that the SP's constant opposition to the BJP earned him the secular title. You call yourself the secular government. 62 people die, 90 are injured, and thousands are displaced under a secular government. Your leader, Shivpal Yadav, is the first to jump the gun on the BJP for criticizing the advertisement that omitted the word secular, saying that even thinking of such a thing is saddening and unfortunate. Your communal narrative against the BJP has fallen flat. You need to answer tonight what your responsibility is for 62 people dying and the displacement of 50,000 people. Are you saying you have no responsibility? The whole administration was reporting to you for your kind information. The entire administration, Gaurav Bhatia, was reporting to you. And if you want to talk about the Supreme Court, one last point before you go on. No, let me counter you effectively enough. I haven't even fired a first shot questioning you, please.
I think you will not be effective.
The Supreme Court. No. Yes. On Supreme Court, you can't say the wrong things on the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court.
I will not make
No. Now you know I'm catching you on the wrong foot. Now you know I'm catching you on the wrong foot.
Absolutely not. Take your time. I'll respond to it.
Thank you. I won't take much time. I'll take 20 seconds. 20 seconds. No. The Supreme Court categorically said your government was negligent in anticipating the riots.
Yes.
And prima facie held the state government responsible for being negligent at an initial stage.
The state government responsible for being negligent at the initial stage, not anticipating the communal violence or for taking steps
so
for
that the truth can at least come out.
This is what the Chief Justice of Supreme Court, P. Sadasivam, had to say.
Now can I
respond? Prima facie hold the state government, Akhilesh's government, responsible for being negligent.
See, I think Mr. Sambit Patra doesn't want to listen to others because he knows the truth would come out, because he will be exposed that most of the accused persons who have been charge sheeted for criminal offences
by the Supreme Court. You have been exposed by the SIT in 2014.
Mr. Sambit Patra is not aware that a criminal trial does not take place in the Supreme Court of India. The criminal trial takes place in the trial court, where the maximum number of accused persons are from the BJP who are facing trial today for heinous offences. Mr. Sambit Patra needs to reply why they felicitated Sanjeev Balia, why they felicitated Hukum Singh. Were they trying to send out a message that you kill people and BJP will felicitate you? You need to answer, Mr. Sambit Patra, why Mr. Sangeet Sobh.
Sudhindra Badoria, Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Taslim Ahmed Rahmani must come into the debate. Taslim Rahmani first. Sudhindra Badoria first. Sudhindra Badoria. Gaurav Bhatia, I mentioned the word Supreme Court. You got nervous. One at a time. Sudhindra Badoria of the BJP, please. Ceasefire. BSP, Sudhindra Badoria.
I think the Samajwadi Party, the Samajwadi Party and the BJP,
Sudhindra Badoria now,
are right in the debate. They are not wanting to. They are not wanting to debate this issue seriously. They are
so
not.
Sambit, 1 minute. Hold on. Sambit, hold on.
They are
Sudhindra Badoria.
They don't want the debate. They just want the right in the debate.
I feel pity for you.
Can you let others speak also in this debate?
And you are debating the issue with me.
Sudhindra Badoria.
They are not. I pity you for not Goswami restrain these two people from rioting. They have already created the right situation in Uttar Pradesh. Both of them, Justice Sahai is an eminent judicial.
Gaurav, let the BSP speak. Gaurav, not fair, not democratic of you.
He's also an accused and he has been charged.
Let me, come on. Do you want to continue or you don't want anybody else to speak?
2 years back.
Gaurav Bhatia, this exposes you. You don't want others to come into the debate. You have been speaking continuously. That only proves one point. That only proves one point. What is it you have spoken? You don't want others to come into the debate.
Let the BSP speak.
Talk about Mr. Kadir Rana who was the BSP MP.
Let me say it. If you want to continue like this, I can continue as long as you want.
Your own MLA was charge sheeted,
Mr. This is not the way a debate is conducted and the debate is held. Gaurav Bhatia. Oh, come on, Gaurav Bhatia. I know how much you have done.
I have a question for you.
Please,
I am asking about Mr. Kadir Rana, who was your BSP MP. He was also complicit in the crime. Should I not be asking you some uncomfortable questions?
So can I now come? Now, okay, you have made your point. You have made your point about Kadir Rana, so let me come in now. Now, the point
Kadir
is
Rana and another
that
MLA.
there is a context.
Who was a BSP MLA?
Akhilesh Yadav is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav should have taken all those people who were creating this righteous situation. In fact, he did not. He never even visited Muzaffarnagar up till 19 days of the riot. What are you talking about? Prior to that,
Mayawati has not even still visited Muzaffarnagar. Your leader Mayawati has still...
Gaurav, let him complete. Gaurav, let him complete. Gaurav, let him complete. Gaurav, 1 minute, please. Gaurav, hold yourself back, please. The debate cannot be one-sided. Gaurav Bhatia, hold yourself back. The debate cannot be one-sided. Sudhindra Bhadoria must complete.
Why is it that
for conniving?
Gaurav, this is not fair.
Ask Mr. Bhadoria, has Mayawati visited Muzaffarnagar?
Will not forgive you. Will not forgive BJP. You have both cooked these riots in Uttar Pradesh. Lakhs of people have been displaced.
Mayawati never took out the time to visit
because of these people, over a lakh people have been displaced in Muzaffarnagar. They have done nothing to stop the riots.
Communal violence. They were making inflammatory speeches. Mayawati never visited Muzaffarnagar, right?
Your government was sitting over there.
Okay, now Gaurav, since you are going non-stop. No, 1 second. Gentlemen, pull back. Gentlemen, pull back. Let me come in, and it's my opportunity now to come back into the debate. Hold on, gentlemen. Hold on. Sudhindra Bhadoria, Gaurav Bhatia, Sambit Patra, hold on. Gaurav, we heard you. Now you must give me a chance now, please. Okay? Pull back.
No,
take a break. No, Gaurav. This is the news hour. It is not one of those shows where you can make a speech and get away. You know that. Now let me please...
No, come on, Arnab. What are you saying? Is this not a valid question that Mayawati was missing in action? She never visited Muzaffarnagar.
Sir, again both of you are going on.
Your Pradesh Samajwadi government is there. What are you talking? Akhilesh Yadav is conniving with the communal
forces. So Mayawati will not visit.
Lakhs of people have been displaced. Lakhs of people have been displaced. Your leader Mulayam Singh Yadav was watching dance in Safai and lakhs of people were being displaced in Muzaffarnagar, Meerut,
your own MP is a charge-sheeted person. Are you aware of that? You never spoke. I asked you a question. Did you even reply?
From Western UP, right up to the Eastern UP.
Okay, since you like asking questions, I am sure Gaurav Bhatia, I can't now, Mr. Bhadoria, please take a break. Mr. Bhadoria, 10:15, take a break. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please stop now. Please, I request you, since you like asking questions, I am sure, again, Mr. Bhadoria, please. Mr. Bhadoria.
He doesn't allow anybody to speak.
Two people haven't spoken. One is the Congress and one is Mr. Rahman. Can I please come in with respect? It won't be fair to them. Gaurav, please stop. Gaurav Bhatia, gentlemen, seize the fire for a minute. And here's my next question. My question is this. Rita Bahuguna Joshi. Both sides are fighting and fighting very intently tonight. You're hearing both sides. My question to you is, between both of them, who's wrong and who's right? And don't try and be equidistant from each other. I know you're not. Either the BJP is right or the SP is right. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, my question to you is this.
So let us look
there is a person called Rashid Siddiqui. No, 1 second. Rita Joshi. Yeah, okay. Rita Joshi, I have a question here. In January 2014, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh, in a very unusual move, asked for the case status regarding Muslim leaders accused of rioting in the Muzaffarnagar riots on the premise that he did not want those wrongly accused to be booked. Was he communalizing the after effect of the Muzaffarnagar riots? Does that raise questions over the Samajwadi Party's politics? Do you condemn these attempts by the Samajwadi Party? 1 minute, sir. Do you condemn these attempts by the Samajwadi Party to appear to be leaning towards one religion in the aftermath of the riot?
You are deviating from the main debate.
I am asking a question. The Congress will respond.
You are not questioning the BJP regarding
Joshi, I will ask the BJP what I want to ask the BJP.
Please.
Rita Joshi.
You are not asking the BJP about them.
Sir, don't accuse. Sir, you answer the question. Don't throw accusations. Rita Joshi. Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Gaurav and Samvit, please. Please give me 30 seconds.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi,
we are a political party. Let me put my views across.
Ordering the police officers in Muzaffarnagar to release people of
the Muzaffarnagar riots were the most horrific riots in the history of UP. And we must compliment Justice Sahai for bringing in a report in a reasonable period of time, keeping in view the status of other commissions. Within 2 years, he's brought in a report. And the first party to reject His report is the Bharatiya Janata Party.
There, you focus on the BJP.
And the second,
I asked you a question on SP, you focus on the BJP.
Kind of not accepting it is the Samajwadi Party. Azam Khan Sahab came on the TV and said, we reject the report. So it clearly indicates that these two parties are at wrong totally. You see, I'm right. Sambit tried to defend himself standing behind the observations of the judge of the Supreme Court. It's true. It's true that the Samajwadi Party administrative failure was there. They failed because they could not nip in the bud the first event of crime that happened, and they were playing politics there. And after that, in spite of preventing...
Rita Joshi, is a counter question to you. Rita Joshi, Sambit is asking you a counter question. Rita Joshi, Sambit is asking you a counter question.
Organizing Mahapanchayat.
Miss Rita Joshi.
Organizing Mahapanchayat.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi, Sambit's counter question to you.
Swords and lathis. And even posting.
Only two at a time.
Please, Sambit, try to listen. And posting hate videos. Posting hate videos. And the person who posted the hate videos, instead of being penalized and being prevented, we find that the party has rewarded them. So the question is, the Samajwadi Party had totally failed, administratively failed.
Did you reject the NN Singh committee report?
If you yell, it doesn't mean that you are right. You are not right.
No, madam, you are preaching us about rejection of reports. But my question is, madam, did you reject the NN Singh committee report about Bhagalpur, which categorically states that the Congress government in Bihar then, in 1989, was the one which was responsible for the massacre of thousands of Muslims? Why did you reject that report? Why did you? I'm talking about riots in general and reports in general. This is a report which has come only about a month ago,
between
and the Congress rejected the report.
Especially in Muzaffarnagar.
After 1989, it took all these years.
What kind of argument is that? Sambit, what kind of argument is that? Sambit Patra, 1 minute. Sambit Patra, a minute, gentlemen, don't speak together. My question to Sambit Patra at this stage is, Sambit Patra, what kind of argument is that? Ms. Joshi, please, 1 minute. What kind of argument is that, Sambit Patra, which you asked the BJP Congress party about the report into the Bhagalpur riots? Can I please, Gaurav Bhatia,
Minister.
Gaurav,
why was Sangeet Som given Z+ category
please
security?
Talk about Muzaffarnagar riots.
Why was Suresh Rana given security? Why was Hukum Singh given an MP ticket? Why were they felicitated?
And
these are all charge-sheeted.
One at a time, Gaurav, please.
What are you defending yourself on?
Where is your minister Ram Sharma who burned a reporter live? There is my minister Ram.
1 minute, please stop. No, I'm stopping the debate at this point. If you don't hear me out, please. Gaurav, Rita and Sambit. Gaurav, Rita Joshi and Sambit. Gaurav, Rita Joshi and Sambit, please wait now. Wait now. I'm requesting you, Gaurav Bhatia, Rita Joshi and Sambit Patra. You are making fantastic points, all of you, but the problem is that you're all speaking over each other. I want the viewer to get an opportunity to listen to the depth of each side's argument. Otherwise, in the intensity of the debate, what is the point if we don't hear each other? And one minute. Therefore, please, let me moderate this. 1 second, Gaurav. I'm trying to ensure that all of you are heard. Is this not a relevant debate? It is. Are we talking about something inhuman? We are. Do we need to fix accountability? We do. And therefore, it is important that we are heard. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I'd like to get Taslim Ahmad Rahmani in, and then I would like the debate to go on. Just make your points brief. Don't speak over each other. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani. BJP says tonight to the Congress party. Okay, you want to make your introductory comments? Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm afraid if any from among these panelists has visited Muzaffarnagar, but I have visited Muzaffarnagar. And I know whatever the report has been concluded and submitted yesterday, we knew the same report even 2 years back. We knew that. That's good. We knew that Samajwadi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party was hand in glove in fomenting this communal right, and we know the reason. We know the very exact reason why they fomented this communal right for their own political benefits. You know, Samajwadi Party there was a very good combination of Jat and Muslim vote in Muzaffarnagar and adjoining districts. And these Jat votes, does it go towards Samajwadi Party? So at BJP, they wanted this vote to go towards BJP, and BJP wanted to take share of all these Jat votes. That's why they wanted to break the Jat and Muslim combination, and that's why they tried to take out all those Muslim community people who are living in small villages in a less number. So the less accommodated Muslim villages were being targeted in a very planned way, and that's why everywhere in the country, BJP and these political beneficiaries, they are trying to make an ethnic cleansing of the Muslim community wherever they are living.
Mr. Rahmani, are you saying? No, 1 second. Now come in. No, sir, Gaurav, don't come in immediately.
In Haryana, like Muzaffarnagar, like in Assam, everywhere they are doing the same thing. I want to ask Rita Bahuguna as well, why don't your government pass? Why didn't your government pass the Communal Right Protection Bill in the end of 2014?
No, don't be general. No, Taslim Rahmani, don't be general. No. Taslim Rahmani, now you completed your point. I have 8 minutes on the debate. You need to stop when I ask you to.
We have so many reports. Arnav, we have Sri Krishna Commission report, we have Malyana and Hashimpura, we have Bhagalpur report. What had happened to all these reports? These political people do not let the other people hard whatever the real problem of the country is.
No, but if you're saying but Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, 1 minute, please. Don't speak over each other, gentlemen, don't speak over each other. It's an interesting point. No, watch it. Taslim Rahmani, please complete your point. When I'm requesting you to Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, you're saying it's 1 second. Do not, Mr. Rahmani, you complete your point now. Please, you've completed your point. You're saying, he's saying tonight it's a fixed match between the Congress and the BJP. I will devote the next 8 minutes to debating that. But if it is a fixed match, then why did the Congress government not provide intelligence inputs to the state government?
Yes.
That could have prevented the riots.
114.
No. If it was a BS, if it was a SP BJP fixed match.
The Chief Minister of UP well in advance. The Chief Minister of UP was informed well in advance.
The Chief Minister
by
of UP.
the Home Minister.
I think Mr. Bhadoria doesn't read the Supreme Court judgment.
No, at this stage, Sudhindra Bhadoria. No, at this stage, Sudhindra Bhadoria and Gaurav Bhatia.
Stop the debate. You act like the Samajwadi Party hooligans do all over Uttar Pradesh.
You know nothing, Mr. Bhadoria. I'm sorry to say you come to
You know nothing, Mr. Bhatia. You are exposed completely. You stand completely exposed. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, your leader, Mulayam Singh and Akhilesh Yadav stand completely exposed. You don't have any answers to the communal riots in UP. You know you go and celebrate in Safai. Forget politics. Go and celebrate in Safai. Have dance and make merry in Safai. Dance and make merry and
Safai. It is not a fixed match.
Game is over.
Okay,
I presume. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
You never
Let's see whose game is over.
You did not.
Your game is over, Gaurav Bhatia.
Okay, let's see whose game is over. Now, 1 minute. Mr. Bhadoria, hold on. Please, when I'm requesting you, what I said was I want all of you to be heard, but for that you must allow me to moderate the debate. If you all speak over me, the point will not be made. Now, Mr. Rahman, just give me one. Take a breath, sir. 1 minute, Mr. Rahmani. Mr. Rahmani, 2 minutes.
What Mr. Azam Khan was doing in Muzaffarnagar those days, he was the minister in charge those days.
Okay.
He wasn't in Muzaffarnagar, Mr. Rahmani.
Okay, Gaurav Bhatia and Mr. Rahmani.
Please don't place incorrect facts.
You know that Azam Khan
now let me tell you, Mr. Rahmani, a few facts that you should be aware of.
Not to arrest people from a particular community.
The Godhra riot victims
have you not seen that sting operation? It was played again
what
and again.
What moral ground have you got to question anybody? the relief package that the UP government extended was the biggest ever exercise
about moral ground.
Supreme Court.
Should I remind you of the relief camp of the Muzaffarnagar riots?
You did not
Eight rapes in the relief camp, innumerable kids die in the relief camp, and Samajwadi Party
you must not forget
dance
they were complicit in the crime.
When people were dying in the relief camp, when people were shivering up the
I think all of you had agreed to hear me. I think all of you had agreed to let me moderate this. I think Sambit and Gaurav, you had both agreed to let me moderate this. Sambit and Gaurav, you had both agreed to let me moderate this. But if Sambit, you like Gaurav as the moderator, and if Gaurav, you like Sambit as the moderator, then what am I going to do? Please hold on. Thank you, gentlemen. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. The viewers must decide, and for that, the viewers must. 5 minutes to go, gentlemen. Please, gentlemen, pull back. 5 minutes, the precious 5 minutes on this debate now. A charge is being made. Thank you. That's the screen saying 5 minutes to go. I've been told by my producers.
Both are supplemented in
Mr. Rahmani, please, आपने बड़ा अच्छा point रखा, मगर इस पे जरा debate हो जाए. Now, Gaurav Bhatia and Samajwadi Party on both sides on the screen, please. And the charge made is that it's a fixed match. रहमानी जी, इतना बड़ा आरोप आपने डाला है, तो मौका तो दीजिए मुझे कि मैं थोड़ा सा क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग कर लूं दोनों साइड का. थोड़ा सा क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग हो जाए संबित पात्रा गौरव भाटिया, नहीं तो दोनों आज ही बहुत ही शीघ्र गति से स्पीच दे रहे हैं दोनों तरफ. प्लीज नाउ थैंक यू, लेट मी क्रॉस क्वेश्चन बोथ. ओके, माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड कीप योर आंसर्स ब्रीफ. ओके, संबित स्माइल्स. संबित, let's see if this question makes you smile, right?
हिंदी शीघ्र गति से भाषण दे रहे हैं.
नहीं, ठीक है, आप धीरे धीरे दीजिए. Question is this, Sambit Patra, I have just one question for you. You are against the riots. You say you're not responsible for the riots. You want communal amity. The country wants to know why you have double promoted and triple promoted all the people who have been accused of taking part in the Muzaffarnagar riots. If you hate the riots, then why have you double promoted and triple promoted Hukum Singh, Sanjeev Balia, Sangeet Som and Bhartendu Singh? And Suresh Rana. Why have you done that?
Number one.
Yeah.
Number one.
For example, Sanjeev Balia is now a current Minister of State. Hukum Singh is the MP from Kairana. Sangeet Som has got Z plus security, continues to be an MLA. And so Bhartendu Singh also is a very important sitting MP from Bijnor. Suresh Rana has got Z plus security and he continues to be a BJP MLA, which means, Sambit, so the viewers realized all those accused of the worst offences during these Muzaffarnagar riots have got huge prizes from the BJP. Why do you give prizes to people accused of riots?
They may have been accused, but nothing was proved in the court of law. They could not.
There is video footage of Hukum Singh.
Could not even charge sheet them. There is no
charge.
I would like to respond to him.
Let him complete. 30 seconds for response.
Charge sheet. They were talking about the fact that Sangeet Som uploaded a video in the Facebook, and when the court asked them to produce evidence to the same, the Samajwadi Party withdrew. The Samajwadi Party could not produce evidence, and that's the reason as to why, despite the fact that the Samajwadi Party
Taslim Rahmani responding. Taslim Rahmani respond kar rahe. Taslim Rahmani
had pressed the NIA.
Taslim Rahmani is not convinced. Taslim Rahmani.
I pity you that you are not even
Taslim Rahmani is saying something.
And Suresh Rana.
Taslim Rahmani, please. Only Taslim Rahmani and Sambit.
Comes on national television to lie.
Are you going to accord them the Bharat Ratna now for fomenting this communal right? Sambit.
In Uttar Pradesh.
Sambit's question for you. Sambit's question.
You ordered all of
Sambit question for you.
You ordered the criminals of the society.
Sambit question for you.
You ordered the criminals of the society. Will you now accord the Bharat Ratna to them? They are all criminals. Everybody knows. The National Security Act was imposed upon them, and you ordered them in a public facilitation program.
Bharat Ratna? Where does Bharat Ratna come over here?
What kind?
Where does Bharat Ratna come over here? Did the court?
You have accorded them. You have facilitated them. You have facilitated them in a public program.
Despite the fact that the Samajwadi Party tried its best,
you got them elected in the parliament. They are now members of parliament. You facilitated them in a public program.
You honor them.
No,
But why do you? Why do you?
Sambit
Patra, please.
All your arguments are fake.
Okay.
You are creating the social
Rita Joshi, 2 minutes left. Rita Joshi.
I want to come in.
Next year we are going into
Seconds, Arnab Goswami.
Arnab, we are very scared. Next year we are going into UP
Okay,
elections.
Sambit once.
And I'm very fearful. Skeptical.
Rita Joshi.
One minute.
Rita Joshi, I'm coming to you later. Gaurav, Rita Joshi now, please.
Ask Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
There is no
Ask
debate.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia why the evidence could not be produced by the Samajwadi Party's prosecutor.
Sambit Patra, you know nothing about law. I pity you that you know nothing about law. You are
I know the simple fundamental thing. If they were wrong, they would have been behind bars.
If I am wrong, I will never come for debate.
And you should
Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left and my last question tonight. 2 minutes left and my last question tonight. Please listen to me, gentlemen. Okay, 2 minutes. Last question. Gaurav, no speeches. Question. सवाल है आपके लिए गौरव. सवाल है. अरे गौरव जी, आप भी इस तरह से, गौरव जी आप भी इस तरह से स्पीच दे रहे हैं. सवाल तो ले लीजिए प्लीज.
What Justice Sahai
Your government should accept the report.
Gaurav Bhatia
and Sambit Patra are fighting only proves this point. That this report is
Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute.
Gaurav, these both people are fighting.
Gaurav Bhatia, why was it? If you got such a strong position on it, please hear me. If you got such a strong position against the BJP MLA called Sangeet Som, why did Sangeet Som dare the Malam? No, 1 second. 1 second. Listen to the full question, otherwise you won't understand. Charge of match fixing is made against you. Sangeet Som was daring the Akhilesh government to arrest him before the police finally arrested him on September 21st. The police, instead of arresting the politicians named in the FIRs, took no action against Sangeet Som, so you have no business questioning now. But that's not my question to you. My question to you, sir, is this. My question to you, sir, is this.
Let me answer
my question. No, Mike, that's not my question. My question to Sambit Patra was, why do you give prizes to those who carry out riots? My question to you is also very similar. Why do you want, Gaurav, you're not listening to me. Why do you give prizes to those who carry out riots? Your own party leader Rashid Siddiqui made a hate speech at one of the rallies, a venomous, vituperative hate speech of a kind that I will not repeat on national television. He was even booked by the police for inciting people at a public meeting, playing with communal sentiments, and your chief minister gave him a clean chit. There was video evidence. But Akhilesh Yadav says, clean chit.
Now can I?
So why were you giving prizes to people?
Mr. Akhilesh Yadav did not give a yes.
No. He gave a clean chit. He gave a clean chit. He on September 13, 20. He gave a clean chit on September 13, 2013. He gave a clean chit. I'm sorry, you are wrong. You are wrong.
Hear the reply.
Why did he give a clean chit? Why would you give a clean chit to someone who instigates people? Why would you give a clean chit to someone who instigates people?
So you don't want to hear, what do I do?
No, why do you give a clean chit to someone who instigates people?
You want to repeat your question without hearing the response.
Because I know you won't answer the question and I repeat it 1,000 times.
You don't want to hear the reply.
I want you to reply, but I want you to answer my question, not yours.
We are not like BJP that we will not answer.
Let's see.
Yes.
Okay.
Now listen to me. Mr. Rashid Siddiqui is no MLA, no MP. He has not been given any tickets. FIR was registered against him and he was given no clean chit by the Chief Minister. I am officially saying it.
Okay.
As for the Commission's report, our government has taken a stand that we will examine the report.
They will
and
never
action
forgive
will be
you.
taken. We have not dismissed the report like the BJP. BJP is scared of the findings of the Commission. The Samajwadi Party
You are not taking the responsibility. Akhilesh Yadav should resign now.
Of crime, all the
Akhilesh Yadav
Mayawati has not resigned after corruption prevailed in the state.
You should quit. Akhilesh Yadav should quit.
Mr. Akhilesh Yadav extended the biggest relief package. Mayawati she did not even care to visit the government.
I think we need this report to be made public. I want this report to be made public. No, I want this report to be made public. This report has to be made public. Make the report public. We have a right to know.
And Gaurav accepted an act.
Make the report public.
It could be made public, but there is a proper procedure for
What procedure, bhai? Make it public. People have died. We have a right to know. Why hide behind procedure? Kaisa procedure?
The assembly.
Public kar dijiye.
It has to be placed. It has to be placed before the assembly.
सबका साथ सबका विकास वाली सरकार
The commission was appointed by your government, Gaurav.
पास करेगी या नहीं करेगी? Very straight question.
Okay, last question to Sambit. Last question to Sambit.
Bangladesh government will implement this report or not?
Taslim Rahmani आखिरी सवाल कर रहे हैं Sambit से. Sambit,
will you pass the communal violence protection bill now?
pass it, Sambit.
Have you gone through the communal violence protection bill? It is highly tilted. In fact, during the UPA days, it was highly tilted towards a particular community. And we are opposed to that. We want equanimity in the society.
I'm talking now.
So you think it's pro-Muslim and that's why you want to
tell me.
And we
You tell me very straight, will you pass it now or not?
During the BJP
Bring it up to
tenure, no
debate.
communal violence.
Why don't you have it
like the
tabled and
Samajwadi
debated?
Party,
Dear viewers,
how can you say no?
At this point, at this point, I personally believe that this entire report of the Justice Sahai Committee should be made public, because you have a right to know what is in that committee report. Whether you agree or disagree is something that is your choice, but you and everyone has a right to know what is in that report. So make it public, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Do not hide behind procedures, and then viewers will decide whether you're fair in that report and whether to trust it or not.
And the report will be public. It has to be.
I look forward to that. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, make the report public. Thanks for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.